So this is a short video about the boot up after you install Raspian from the last video where I showed you the chip. So I've just powered it on and that appears, and then you get a window about resizing the file system. So then it will go through and it will do its install, and it installs rather quickly, as you can see. So there we go. It's welcoming you to the desktop, and then in a little bit the desktop will appear, and on the upper left you will see a familiar menu. We will go through that in the next video. Feel free to click the subscribe button, as we will be transitioning to the Raspberry Pi for further programming, and I will definitely keep you posted. Thank you. Remember, keep on learning.